Hello my darlings. Few comments I've had lately is how strange my brain is. Well, I think everybody knows I got a very strange brain, right? You all know that by now. Anyway, I had some shit given to me off Jason. You all know Jason. I'll leave a link down there. You'll find it. And I've been given this, these, even this, and one more of them. That's a welding rod. In fact, it's a aluminium. So the thing my eyes sees straight away, which other people's don't, is stainless steel, hardened steel, stainless steel. So what we all need in the workshop, every flipping one of us, if you've got a workshop, we all need, I'm not going to say one of these, that should be longer than that. What's going on? There you go. We all need one of these. So what I want to do, battery went, fuck bastard. Right, then I went like this. And instantly you've got that, which is obviously scrap. Goes in a scrap bin. Ooh, got a scrap bin. Have you had that? Yeah, I got a scrap bin with handles on, not fork handles. Now this is tempered steel, this stuff, and this is stainless steel. So all we got to do, folkies, all we got to do is thank you girl, spank you girl. Bastard. Like a fucking madman, you fucking crazy kid. What the? Now we all know what water's for, don't we? Right, that's what's water for. Turn around, will you? Right, the beauty of this 110, it's got a water trough, which I've just severely overfilled, but don't worry about it. Now we'll get our things with the fucking handles on. I can't see a fucking thing in this light, but you know what I mean. I've got that for an angle. you go. What you end up is a lot of scribers. A lot of scribers. Hey Rob, there's a lot of scribers, eh mate? Yes. That is correct, sir. I know, even them funny people they call, I think they call them carpenters. Even they use scribers. They'd rather, the ones I know would rather use a scriber than a pencil, because a scriber is more fucking accurate, like, you know. So it's just a simple doodler. See, I can't do woodwork. If I was doing metalwork, you just clamp that on there, and there you go. And then you get your lovely, 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 lovely lines, you see. So a lot of people, something wrong with this tree. A lot of people would throw them away, which they did. But I find another use for them. You see, perfect. So that's how my brain works. Completely different to other people's. Plus, I found another one, and I found these barbecue wongies. You know, they're crap. They're no good. They're rubbish. These could have made nice, pretty nice screwdrivers, but the thing is, you know, screwdrivers are what? £1.50. Hey, watch my back. No, thanks for watching my back. So we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15 scribers. 2 for Jason, 3 for me, 3 for Jason, 3 for me, 2 for Jason, 2 for me. Okay, is that fair? Give back, and then that way they don't mind you scrounging in their bin. The way my brain works. So that's a prezi for Jason. Thanking you, Jace. She said, do you want your clean clothes or do you want your working clothes? Because of course it's bank holiday. So I said, why would I want clean clothes? Oh well, in case she wanted to go out, spend some money. I said, right, chuck us my working clothes in. So yeah, people are always looking for scribers. Better than a pencil. So it's a quick vid. Another quick video from the Robert Nurden shed. The Robert Nurden clean shed. Yeah, just thought I'd try Jason's out so we can see. Oh, it wasn't working when I had it. Come on.